Welcome to this Energizing Pilates mat class focusing on feel-good, full body movements where it's not about chasing the burn, instead taking the time to breathe deeply and move supplely through your entire body. Let's go ahead and begin having a seat, sitting cross-legged, and spread your arms wide, fingers just barely tapping down. Deep breath in. Exhale, tipping the head and chin down. And inhale, tilting head up. Just follow the rhythm of your breath. I'm going to encourage you, follow the rhythm of your deep breathing throughout this class, even if you move at a different pace than I am. Looking down one last time and looking center. Inhale, one arm reaches up and stretch over to the side. Get that beautiful reach side. Exhale up and switch sides. Inhale. Now you can keep it right here, or inhale, stretch over side, folding over your knee towards the center of your legs and rolling up through your spine, and switch sides. So nice reach over towards the knee, coming forward and rolling up. You may notice maybe you want to spend more time in one position if that really works in to the body in the way that feels really nice for you. Now we'll do one more time each side, and if you'd like, make this a little bit bigger, where you pass through center this time, rotating to the other knee, side stretch, and coming up, and reverse one time over. Rotating, passing through center to other side, and then coming up. Very nice. Now switch the cross of your legs. I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see a little bit more clearly. Inhale, rotate to one side. Exhale, center. Switch sides. So you can stay vertical, rotating side to side. If you'd like, add on where you rotate, reach and extend, and coming back through center and switch sides. Inhale. So your back hand is supporting this reach and extend. One more time each side. When you come center this next time, stay there. And coming on to hands and knees, let's keep moving through your back. Tuck your toes and spread wide with your fingers. Breathing out, rounding through your spine. Reverse the curves, inhale. And continue on through. One more time. Natural curves with your spine. Let your hips come up towards the ceiling. And if it would feel nice, pedal out your feet. Working into the legs a little bit more, letting your head release further down. Lifting both heels up. And exhale, sinking them down. Taking an inhale breath to prepare. Exhale, move through your spine. Imagine massaging your spine until you're in a strong plank, holding for an inhale. And exhale, roll through your spine. Hips up, heels reaching down. And repeat that, moving through. Inhale. And exhale, rolling through. Just one last time to roll on through. Getting to your high plank. And your exhale, bend your elbows, lower all the way down. Toes are long, hands underneath the shoulders. Small lift, upper and mid back come up. Lowering down. Your upper and mid spine lift again. And down. Keeping your feet down. Inhale, lift your spine, pause here. Reaching your fingers towards your toes, circling your arms forward, Hands under your shoulders and reach back. 2 more times. Arm circles here. Pausing, hands down, reset, lower down. 1 time. Coming right back up. That small lift again. Arms go forward this time, circle them around and through. Forward, circle around and bending 1 more time. Hands under your shoulders, lowering down. And use your hands. You can press up as high as you'd like, just no crunching in the low back. And lowering down. Coming up and down. Now see how it feels to imagine going underneath the fence. So you come up, look down towards the chest, and swoop along with your spine to lift up. 2 more times. Head down and find the long swoop, reach, and up. Another time. Coming up and lowering down. Very nice. Come onto one side of your body. Legs in front of you, hands behind your head here. Lifting your top leg up and reach it back. Back, back. Heel in back, knee in towards you, reach long. So just think big, big bicycle, not quick, big and slow. Another time in this direction. Then pause with your leg back and reverse. Forward, bend in, keep it bent and reach it back, 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 then go straight. Forward in. Reaching just straight. Another time. Your leg stays back. Now, how does it feel? Lift your bottom leg as well, reaching the legs further away from one another. Very nice. Bring yourself up, bend your bottom knee, and straighten your top leg out to the side here. Arms reach wide once again. Stretch over side. Coming up, flex your foot, rotate, and reach towards the toes. Let's do that again. Point your foot, stretch over side. Coming up, flex, rotate towards the toes. Another time. Very nice. And switch sides. Let your legs come to the second side. In front of you a little bit. Both hands behind your head. Lifting top leg, find your back reach, back reach, back reach, and then bending in, knee in, big bicycle motion here. So just think, create more space in your hip as your leg is doing this motion. Next time your leg goes back, pause, and reverse, forward, bend in, reach back, forward in, another time here, keeping your leg back and try that float with the bottom leg as well, reaching the legs longer, beautiful, bringing yourself up, bending the bottom knee, other leg rotates out to the side, arms reach, stretch over. Coming up, flex your foot, rotate, and reach towards your toes. And continue. Point for your stretch over side. Coming up, flex, reach to toes. Another time here. Very nice. Coming up and turn to face the short edge of your mat now. We'll do a teaser hold. So bend your knees, hands behind your thighs, press the legs in towards one another, and roll behind your sits bones a little bit. Bring your toes closer towards you, toes off the mat, and now let your legs come to tabletop. Find this position, breathing deeply. You can continue using your hands or no hand option. Staying here in stillness, or start to take your legs straighter up at the diagonal and bend. And remember, hand option, and maybe the legs just go a little bit can still be a big challenge. 2 more deep breaths. Very nice. Your feet come all the way down and make your way down on to your back, your arms to the ceiling, your feet closer and towards you. Exhale, curl your pelvis and spine up for a pelvic curl, reaching your arms behind your head, rolling yourself down as the arms circle towards the toes, and then up to the ceiling and repeat. So take your time, moving through your spine. Your arms go back behind you. Savor the length. Then circling your arms wide as you roll down with your back. Another time like this. Pausing with your arms to your toes and reverse your arms. So circle them wide, curling your pelvis and spine up. Find that same reach. And your arms come to the ceiling as you roll down all the way to the toes. And repeat that, circle wide, rolling up, reaching long, move through your back, reaching your arms forward. Another time here. Very nice. Staying down this time and roll right back up. Let's find that teaser again. So find tabletop teaser, squeezing legs together or the legs in the straighter position, your choice. Holding with your arms or free float arms. Take 3 deep breaths here. A little shaken. Heels coming towards you now, rolling back. Inhale to roll back, exhale up. Just smoothly rolling along your back. Another time here. Very nice. Have a seat cross-legged and inhale, extend through your spine, arching through, and natural curves. And repeat that, extending on through, and natural curves. And another time here, extending on through. Maintain natural curves. Allow your arms to float up. Open them across from the shoulders and down. And they reach and scoot forward and lift. Keep circling in this direction. I'm just going to turn to face you. Pause with your arms. Stretch forward one time. Let your arms skim forward. Take 3 deep breaths here. And taking your time, rolling back up. Switch the cross of your legs. Sweep wide with your arms up and letting them float down. And again, sweep wide, up and down. One last time. And again, bend forward, taking 3 deep breaths here. Slowly roll yourself up to seated. Inhale and exhale, and hopefully feeling so energized in your body after that short class. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. I hope you have an incredible day and can join me on the mat soon.